game one. We got here day one. MomoCon. What's up, game one? We got here day one. MomoCon. What?
So in this part of the video, I was very confused trying to play this game. Like I was pressing in the button at this point, a red button, but the game is in Japanese, so I couldn't understand what it's saying. But my sister figured it out because she's someone know Japanese. Waiting to get someone to eat. I'm hungry. Waiting on my sister. I don't know y'all can hear me, but I'm still waiting. Man for the tree. It's MomoCon Day 1. It's MomoCon Day 2. So I am getting dressed now. Sorry, this is like a little unexpected, but okay. I'm gonna show y'all what I am wearing today. This pants. It's a patchwork pants. What do they call it? Pink. Isn't that cute? So cute. Okay. For today. My today. And then I don't know y'all saw the last time that I had my orange shadow on my eye. This time doing pink. Because I'm in black pink. But this is pink. Ooh, that's cute. Like Edie. Something this. Like this, or like this. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something like this. So that's it for me. I will get changed and I'll come walk back to y'all while I do my eye, do my makeup. Kind of. guys, it's MomoCon Day 3. It's MomoCon Day 3 and I am Kim Possible. I am Kim Possible for today for MomoCon Day 3. Cannot wait, to be honest, but we'll be going to the Rave concert also. So hopefully that be fun. But I want to show y'all what I got at the MomoCon shop. Like, it's so freaking cute. Hold on. I got. First, I got this twinkle like the star in the night sky. It shines most with its awareness darkest. Sorry. This is the necklace. Wow, and the guy says 18K gold, so it's pretty. I really like that. And then I got this little cute keychain. Well, I don't use it as a keychain. Look at that. It's so cute. I'm gonna save it when I get my call. I'm gonna put this on my keychain. Now my keychain gonna be so cute, y'all. Ooh, it's so cute. I like it. Then I got a K-pop album. I'm gonna show you what album. I got Blackpink album. I got I got their second album. This was $30, which I don't think that's a bad price for this size album. But definitely be getting more K-pop albums today, so y'all will be seeing that. But yeah, I don't know. I like Blackpink, so I like Blackpink, and I went to that concert, and when I got the album, it just like movies. So yeah, I like it. But I would definitely be getting more something. I will give. Number thing for me is more K-pop albums, and I want a squishy, like a bear. I think that would be cute also. I don't have a black boot like him, wear black boots, so I'm just gonna wear my Converse. I just gotta pack my bag because I ain't gonna wear my tote bag was holding my shoulder because I had a lot of stuff in it and holding my shoulder so bad when I'm walking. I ain't gonna do that again. Yeah, I'm gonna start packing, but I'm gonna bring another black bag, kind of like my purse, do that, and we're gonna head out.
Okay, that's great to record. I don't really know what to say. I'm not about to say my name. Should I say my name? Okay. I don't have to? Cool. So I'm her niece, basically. And basically I'm her niece and I'm recording. No, I don't want to be a future YouTuber. I don't want to do none of that. But, you know, she let me record, so I'm recording. Yeah. I don't know if she's gonna post this. Are you gonna post this? Huh? Are you posting this?
Yes.
She's gonna post this. She's gonna post this. Hopefully she get like the weird clips of me out because I'm gonna be my total self on this camera. I'm on a MomoCon right now. My hair don't even look that bad. We're on a MomoCon right now. This light is lighting. Oh my gosh. We're on a MomoCon right now. I already been to MomoCon before. How many times have you been to MomoCon? My shoe has to be tied.
5?
She's been to MomoCon 5 times. This is my second time going. It's not that big of a deal.
I think so.
We finna take a break though real quick. I gotta charge my phone. I mean,
What?
tie my shoe. Can we cross your street?
If you want to, can't like.
So cute. Oh my god.
That much better.
I guess.
It's more wide out.
Yeah, I guess. I don't really like this though. I don't know. Okay, cause see my hair finna make me mad because it keep on sticking up when I do this. My hair don't look like that. It's just this wing. So if it make like any weird movements, I don't know what to say. Oh, I like his outfit. That's kind of cute. No, I didn't really dress up as nobody because I'm not really into this MomoCon stuff. So yeah. Hey Barry, I'm gonna be on her vlog. No, so everybody being boring and they don't want to be on the vlog. So what?
Listen.
Yeah.
We're going to MomoCon.
You want to
see a lot of different cosplay. People that you know. Music. Shop. Western stage, but Western stage always started.
You already know I've been to MomoCon, right?
Yes, I was saying that, you know, if people don't know, we compare to what they have, you know? You know?
No, wait, what?
Oh my God. Some viewers don't know what is MomoCon is. So I was just saying what they got and stuff. And they got
She's saying I don't know.
Stuff.
I mean, I know.
Karaoke.
Yeah.
People singing on the stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to see the wrestling. I thought of the Acclaim.
What acclaim?
No, I thought I heard, you know, the Acclaim, like AEW. I thought I heard it, but I didn't. They run me over, I'm getting the money out of my pocket. I'm getting money in my pocket. I ain't taking it out. Y'all want to see the view? I don't really know how to switch this, so y'all can't see. Oh, y'all can? Okay.
You want to? Yeah, let's see.
That's the view.
Woo!
I mean, well, this is a journey to be, you know? So we're gonna walk to the journey. We're gonna stop at one point, but then we're gonna start back recording.
I'll show y'all.
You wanna see their outfit? Okay,
I am Kim. Yeah, Kim Possible.
I'll do it. So she's Kim, you know. She got the little outfit on or whatever. The gloves. And I don't really know, what's the character name?
Shego.
Shego. Can you see her?
This is Shego. Shego.
Fit comes down.
Shego.
Show the shoes. Me, you know, I'm just myself. They're trying to pull my wig off, alright?
Girl, you don't got no wig. That's your hair.
This is not actual hair.
That's your hair.
Wait a minute, alright?
Uh-oh, it's still...
What happened?
Your hair, you still holding it.
I gotta still hold it. Alright? You know what? You guys like my flying
Wow.
It's like flying.
Whoa. What do you sound like?
My character is myself because like I don't really dress up for
Because she's
MomoCon. I don't dress up for MomoCon.
She's the best character in the world.
Exactly. Like I'm the best storyteller in the world. Like I'm gonna this shirt got the hella wait. Show the nuts. Show the nuts. Got to show the dunks because you know got the dunks. All right. Got shorts. It's just some regular pair of shorts. But yeah, that's my little outfit. It's simple. I got bracelets to match it and rings to match it. And I got like glasses, but I'm not wearing them. But yeah, I don't know.
Walking. Literally walking. It's like it's been 8 minutes to film this and we just literally walking.
See, this is the type of stuff I'm talking about. But yeah. Hello guys. You're gonna see my face a lot. This face ain't going nowhere. This face right here. Right here. You guys wanna hear a song? You wanna sing a song for them real quick? No. Gotta be an R&B song.
Oh, R&B song? Okay.
Gotta be what? R&B.
R&B. R&B.
I don't know what song that is. Oh, how about? Okay. You know Love? Yeah. That's the song I was just singing. That was not that. That was not that. Oh, I kind of hear it, but you was just speaking gibberish. Like I didn't. I don't know the lyrics.
Just speaking.
So that's why I But I knew once we start. I was thinking that. These characters are so cute. I'm not even gonna lie. All these characters are so cute. I don't know half of them are, but they're so cute.
I am recording. Naya.
Okay, y'all. I don't really care. I'm gonna take my shoes off. It's hot in my feet. It's hot and my feet hurt. And my hair look a little crazy.
Okay,
Like we just walked. Just walked outside. Now it's hot. It's alright. It may not say nothing to me either. Okay, go on.
Well, I was just saying that I've left my camera with my brother, so I am recording on my phone now.
Yeah.
They got food and got some Dippin' Dots. So now we outside, but it's hot.
That ice cream good.
I gotta go back. Walk around.
It's like 10K.
This is my niece. She said it from the beginning of the video.
Yeah.
And
I don't really say my name, so like.
This is Anaya.
I got done.
My baby niece.
I got done.
But yes, I'm just gonna sit.
My stomach hurt.
Why your stomach?
Like my side. Like you know how you eat and then walk. You know how you've been running and then your stomach hurt. Well, I've been walking too long, and now my
Well, let's sit
my
right
side.
there in the shade. What?
Yeah, that's what we about to
In
do.
the shade.
Very.
It's MomoCon day 4. It's MomoCon day 4. It's the last day. You wanna say hi?